What's up, everybody? It's Weapon2 and I'm back, and today I'm doing a video review on Star Trek, the original TV series, Romulan Bird of Prey. I had this toy since 2003. It was at a small flea market called Kids Corner. Decided to do a video on this particular vehicle here. It's a cool looking spaceship. As you see, it's very authentic looking. It looks just like the actual Romulan Bird of Prey from the original Star Trek TV series. And I remember in the first episode where it was the captain was played by Mark Lennon, who later played Spock's father in the following episodes. I'm gonna take this part off here. This is a stand. Yeah, it's got these pegs right here, and we're gonna take a look at the underneath bottom here. This part, and we'll do the top section. Yeah, really nice looking ship. It's got 4 different sounds. It's got 4 buttons here, as you can see. This one here, this noise. This engine's flying. The engine's lighting up, and the phasers, and this button here. It's a cloaking device, and this sound here. The torpedoes. Here's a box over here. It's made by Playmates. Very cool looking. Got some cobwebs on the box. Yeah. Got a picture of the toy itself and the features it has, and the Captain Pike's laser pistol that was used in the original Star Trek pilot episode, The Cage. Also, the stand here comes with has this detail here, the green and the blue, and it has Romulan writing. It's awesome. So, now, I don't know how many episodes this ship was featured in the original series, but a great add to your collection, I must say. So, if you can find this particular spaceship on eBay, I say simply go for it. If you're a Trekker, yeah. Not bad. So I give this figure a perfect 10 out of 10. It's very show accurate. So I will be back with some more reviews pretty soon. This has been my latest video review on the Star Trek Romulan Bird of Prey, made by Playmates. And see you all again later. So this is Weapon2 signing out.